Charlie Chaplin. Most of the people know him, but only very few know the story behind his smiley face. Charlie Chaplin was born on 16th April 1889 in London in the UK.
Charlie Chaplin's father was Charlie Chaplin Sr. He was an English music hall entertainer. He was an alcoholic man. As he spent all his income on buying alcohol, Charlie's family became very poor. His father left him and his mother after some days because of some financial controversies. Charlie's childhood was one of the poverty. As his father was absent, his mother has to struggle financially. Chaplin's mother was Hannah Chaplin. She was actor, singer, dancer and a songwriter. Once when his mother was singing a song on the stage, suddenly she lost her voice and all the audience started shouting. Then the manager of that show sent Charlie Chaplin onto the stage to entertain the audience. Charlie went onto the stage and started imitating his mother's voice. That was very funny, so that all the audience started laughing. Charlie was about 6 years old when this incident took place, and this was his first earning. He earned his first earning when he was 6 years old. And now his mother never got back her voice. Charlie went to school when he was a child, but he does not have much interest in studies. Because of that, he was not a bright student and he wanted to become actor like his parents. Hannah Chaplin has 4 children including Charlie. And because of worrying about their future as their father left them and she lost her voice, then how would they live now? And because of worrying all this, she became mental and she was committed to the mental asylum. Then Chaplin and his siblings became alone. Then they lived in the orphanage. Before entering into the film industry, Charlie used to do stage shows. And once when he was doing a stage show, a director saw him and he recognized his acting skills and he gave the opportunity to act him in the film. His first film was Making a Living. This was the short film and his first full-length film was The Kid. After that, he acted in lots of films which gave him more popularity. All of his films are silent films. He just to do action. He does not speak any word in his film. That is his speciality. Most of the people liked his films and he became the king of the silent film era. He won the Oscar Award in 1972. Charlie Chaplin died at the age of 88 on 25th December 1977. It's been 44 years since he died, but still we remember him. Look how bright he shined. His father left them when he was a child. His mother lost her voice at the age of 6 and at the age of 14, his mother went to the mental asylum. Now he became alone, but he endured all these struggles and shined in such way that his shyness brought smile on everyone's face. So that's all for this video guys, hope you liked it, and still if you have not subscribed to my channel then subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification to get notified. And I'll be back with other interesting video. Until then, take care, bye bye.